Hey, how's it going? My name is Nam of Duel Boot, and today we're doing a very fun PC upgrade exercise. We're going to be taking these GPUs and upgrading 3 computers. Come and join us.
Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is gently place my PC down. Let's remove the side panel support and the screws. I place the glass on the side because it's very fragile. We'll remove the GPU power cables. There's a very small clip that you can press, makes it a lot easier to get it out. Remember the orientation of your power cables. Next, we're going to remove the screws off of the GPU support bracket. Then we're going to remove a secondary bracket that also puts a little bit of pressure on the GPU mounting bracket, but it doesn't do too much. We're going to use a little light down here so we can see our latch that we need to press to release the GPU. When we get down in here, you'll see I'm going to put a screwdriver on it, make it a little easier for you to see. The light bounces around in a weird way and makes the camera go to a 1980s filter for some reason. We'll fix that in a moment, though. Now we're zoomed in. You see that little thing? Got to just push gently on that while we lift it up. There we go. 1980s. It'll be fixed in a second, though. So we're going to gently put this over in a box to make sure it's nice and safe. We're going to be placing that into another computer soon. And here comes the 5070 Ti. Only slightly more powerful than the 9070 XT with GDDR7 instead of GDDR6. So, nice click there. Now this 5070 Ti comes with a cable that you can plug all of the PCIe power cables into, so it's just one nice cable. And though we don't show it here, we are going to fish this line down instead of from the top. A little bit better cable management, especially because of this braided cable. There we go, and you see the clip lines up, and we press. Pop. Beautiful. Beautiful. Next, we're going to put that little bracket back on. Again, this one doesn't really support too much, but it makes it look nice. There we go. Let's get our other 2 screws back in place. We do use a GPU, what is it called, Josh? What's that little standoff thing called?
A GPU stand.
A GPU stand, yes. We do use a GPU stand. I don't think we show it in the video, do we?
I think it's going to be in there for like a second.
Okay. So now we do our magic waving, seal up the rest of the PC, and we're going to go ahead and get it to boot. Oh, Josh collects these. Let's give him another one. There, Josh.
Thank you. You can have the other 2.
All right. Again, careful with the tempered glass. I wish they gave stronger glass. They break so easily. The Black X Web one that we got, the original one, came with a broken tempered glass. Oh, my desk looks so organized. Oh, there's the Pokemon
Here we go.
cards we're going to open.
Let's see
soon.
if it posts.
Well, we know it posts.
Yeah, we know.
Yeah.
This is...
Comes up
Hey,
on my backup monitor.
like, subscribe. Thank you.
Hey, yeah. Follow us for more PC stuff. We're going to be doing 2 more PC GPU swaps.